In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Zoho campaigns with Zoho CRM. We'll walk through creating a campaign record from scratch so you can plan dates, budget, and expected results, all inside your CRM. Follow along, and by the end, you'll have a clean, trackable campaign ready to go. Start on the Zoho CRM home screen. From here, open the Sales tab. This is your hub for pipeline, marketing, and performance. Within Sales, choose Campaigns. The Campaigns module is where you centralize marketing initiatives so you can monitor outcomes, compare planned versus actual spend, and report on ROI. Click Create Campaign. This opens the campaign form. Start by entering a clear campaign name. Use a consistent naming convention that makes it easy to recognize later, such as including the channel or event and the month and year. A well-structured name makes searching and reporting much easier. Next, choose the type of campaign. For this walkthrough, select Conference as an example. Pick the type that best matches your initiative, things like email, webinar, advertisement, or event, so your analytics are properly categorized. Set the status. Select Planning to indicate the campaign is being prepared. You can update this status to launched or completed as your campaign progresses. Keeping this field accurate helps dashboards and reports reflect reality. Now add timing. Select a start date, such as January 19, 2026, and an end date, like January 20, 2026. Make sure the end date comes after the start date, and align these dates with your team's time zone and calendar. Accurate dates help schedule tasks and clarify when results should be measured. Enter the expected revenue. This is your projection of the revenue you anticipate attributing to this campaign. Use assumptions your team agrees on so comparisons later are meaningful. Then add the budgeted cost, which is your planned spend. After that, enter the actual cost. If you don't know it yet, you can start with your best estimate and refine it as invoices come in. These three fields together let you evaluate performance against plan. If needed, add a description. Briefly summarize the goal, audience, offer, and any important context the team should know. This keeps everyone aligned without digging through separate documents. When everything looks good, click Save. Your campaign is now created in Zoho CRM, ready for tracking and updates as you execute. That's it. Your campaign is set up and organized for success. If this was helpful, subscribe for more.